In every girl's life, there is a boy she will never forget. Girls love receiving letters and surprises. Women feel that men become more attractive if they saw other women smiling at them. If a girl loves a guy, he will always be there in her mind, even though she flirts with other guys. When a girl cooks for you, you mean a lot to her. In every girl's life, there are three boys. Boy who is loved by a girl, boy who is hated by a girl, and boy whom she thinks that she can't live without. Girls want to be cuddled a lot. A kiss on her hand at the right time can be real turn on. When a boy says something really sentimental, girls will remember it forever and ever. If you like a girl, try making friends with her first. Girls daydream about their crushes all the time. They just don't show it. If a girl loves a boy and he stares her deep in the eyes, it will make her knees weak. Women speak about 20,000 words a day. If you don't like a girl who likes you, break it to her gently. Girls love to feel special, even though they might not show it. Girls love it when guys says their name. If a girl is not completely over her ex, they do not talk ill about them. Women like forehead kisses above everything. The average woman in the UK owns 19 pair of shoes but only wears 7.